Every function, every line of code is a heartbeat. Every keyframe, a pulse of life. I weave loops like fabric, sculpt vertices like a masterful artist. This is my all-powerful mode. A test render begins. The viewport glows as an intricate scene emerges. Characters, environments, physics all bound by the logic of code and the magic of animation. When I code, I command logic. When I animate, I command motion. But together, I command worlds.
Impossible to get what you're looking for from him. He can do it like me. I'm gonna prove it. I got a question. Can you help me out? How many people can do it like
The final
me?
render finishes. A fully realized creation stands before the screen, alive, ready to be unleashed. The camera pulled, eyes sharp, hands poised, mind unstoppable.